Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. And I just realized that I have a lot of lost footage, but basically I am doing a dry manicure in this video. So before I got started with the dehydrator or anything, I went through and I pushed my cuticles back with the orange stick, and I used these cuticle nippers to take off the excess dead skin, not the live cuticle, just the dead skin around. And then I filed with a 180-100 grit filer. So I used the 100 side to shape my nails and just do roughing over my nail bed. And then what you'll see is I did go in with this dehydrator to remove the excess moisture. I waited till it was good and dry, and I used this as my base coat. And then after I did my base coat, I went in with this Opie nail polish, and the color is called Bare My Soul. I really like this color because it's nice sheer. I think it's very classic, and I did 2 coats of this, and you'll see that also. Following that, I went in with this long wear top coat. I got this from Sally's, and what I really like about this is the brush. It's a nice wide base, so it's very easy to control. And then I use these nail drops that I also got from Sally's, and I like these because it's just so satisfying to watch them on the nails. They've been on now for about 2 minutes, so I'm going to do a very gentle touch test to see how my nails are, and if they're good to go, I'm just going to go in with some cuticle oil to finish up. But that's where we are. I don't know what happened to that footage or anything like that, but oh yeah. I already have on 1 coat, and I love this color because it's just so sheer. Like, it's there, but it's not there, and it gives a nice manicured look to your nails. So I'm getting ready to go in with the 2nd coat, and then I'll do my top coat. I really like this color for that reason. So, fun fact about me, I love doing nails. I have several nail kits. I have gel, I have dip, I have full coverage nail tips. The issue I have with full coverage nail tips is that I have larger than normal nail beds. So sometimes it's a little hit or miss when it comes to the sizing. Not a little, a lot hit or miss. I think I have this one set by Olive and June. That's gonna look really well. I just haven't tried them yet because before I put any nail tips or anything on my nail, I really want to get the strength back to where it used to be. And I don't know what happened, like if it was a change in my diet or like something that I was washing my hands with, but my nails just got really dry and brittle really fast all of a sudden, and that's what I want to fix. So, doing my manicure, and I've been prepping my nails for a few weeks now because I just wasn't sure like what I was going to do, what the direction like the health of my nails were going. And I talked to a friend of mine. She said, just go get a manicure and start from scratch. So I started looking into Russian manicures, and the closest Russian manicurist in my area is booked till March, which is crazy. I could have still very well made the appointment. I mean, what was going to be my solution in the meantime? You know, I'm still on that struggle bus. That's why I started researching dry manicures myself, what it looks like after 2 coats or whatnot. And I think, obviously, that's not I think, I know I still have some work to do when it comes to like the cleanup of the cuticle and everything. I left my teeth out, my family, but I my cuticles are trimmed, they're pushed back. Pretty sure I got all the cuticle off the actual nail bed. That will help the polish last longer. So let's see. I'll do this and then I'm going to put on a top coat to shine and seal it, of course, and then the top coat to shine and seal. Then I'm going to use my quick dry nail drops. And those things are like a true game changer when it comes to like nail polish. So I don't know if you guys remember the other short I did that has the olive and June pink in it that I really like, and I still like that one. Just find this out on the shooting. And I don't know, maybe it was the formulation problem. I don't know, I'm not gonna blame nail polish. But I tell you this, my nails just got super dry and brittle, and I couldn't explain why they were breaking like that. I was shocked. Because I've always thought that I've got like nice nail beds. I have naturally square nails and manicurists or nail techs. Love my nails and love to try different things on my nails because of the natural strength and shape of them. So I was kind of a little discouraged, disgruntled when they just started breaking all of a sudden. So yeah, a little to recovery, right? And just now realizing, probably because I never talked when I did this, how hard it is actually to talk and do your nails at the same time. So this is just a top coat that I got from Salons a while ago. I'm going to do this. And then for the immediate following, I'm going to do the nail drops. And this is quick drying nail drops. So back in the day, Wet n Wild used to make salon style polish, and I loved it. And I loved it for the fact that the bristles on the brush were so wide, so it's really easy to polish with. I mentioned that because these bristles are pretty wide, and I love that. Now I have this Sally Hansen nail polish, and I like the color, but I do not like the polish stick. It is thin, it's hard to control. So if I can get like a nice wide brush standard, that's my go-to, and I will keep going back to that polish. Now, I've seen, and I've tried it before, it rarely works for me though, so I'm not going to do it this go around. But I've seen people actually seal the ends, like go underneath and seal in the polish. I can't speak to it on yay or nay, even with like dip powder and gel polish. I can't say that I've really noticed a difference. And I'm really wondering if I've ever, I'm going to ever get back into like those. Gel polish wasn't as bad as dip polish. And it took a few applications for me to realize that the dip polish was really making my nails brittle. And I liked how it looked, and I got so many compliments on it. But at the end of the day, like, I can't risk that, you know. You know, that might sound crazy to sound, but it's the truth. And these nails are so big. I have top coat on both nails, or both hands, I should say. Going in with this. I love this stuff. I love just looking at it go on because you can like see the moisture get drawn out. I'm just gonna put a drop or two on each nail and then let it finish drying. With using but I know even using nail drops, you still have to allow a decent time to dry, but I think they're dry enough for the cuticle oil most of my gel polish I have. So here's the finished products. I went in with the cuticle oil. Main color is this Opie Bare My Soul. I really like it. I think my dry manicure looks pretty decent. Let me know if you guys want me to give you an update or whatnot, but I'm pretty satisfied with this. We'll see how my nails feel with the calcium base coat and everything, but I think it looks okay. Let me know what you think.